Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be exploring stunning bathroom tile design ideas. I'll share my expert insights on what makes these designs both beautiful and practical. Let's dive right in and get inspired. This bathroom showcases a luxurious and cohesive design. The use of marble tiles on the walls and floors creates an elegant, timeless look. I love how the subway tiles in the shower add texture and contrast to the larger marble slabs. The frameless glass shower enclosure keeps the space open and airy, while the clawfoot tub adds a touch of vintage charm. The black and white rug introduces a bold pattern that ties the design together. Functionally, this space is excellent. The walk-in shower is spacious. If I were to make any changes, I might add a splash of color with vibrant towels or a piece of art to inject more personality into the room. This bathroom strikes a perfect balance between modern and rustic elements. I adore the bold geometric floor tiles that add a dynamic touch to the space. The black frame glass shower enclosure gives a sleek, industrial vibe, complementing the white subway tiles for a crisp, clean look. The olive green wainscoting brings warmth and contrast, making the space feel cozy. The use of a vintage radiator and wooden stool adds character and charm. Functionally, this bathroom excels with its ample storage solutions, like the wall hooks and woven basket. To improve it, I would add a few more pops of color with plants or accessories to liven up the space even more. Overall, it's a beautifully designed and highly functional bathroom. This bathroom exudes a serene and spa-like ambiance. I love the combination of natural materials such as the terracotta floor tiles and the wooden ceiling, which bring warmth and texture to the space. The vertical white tiles add a modern touch and make the room feel taller. The freestanding tub is a stunning centerpiece, perfect for relaxing soaks. Functionally, the built-in shower niche provides convenient storage, and the mix of hooks and shelves ensures ample space for towels and toiletries. The lighting fixtures are stylish and functional, adding to the overall aesthetic. If I were to make any changes, I might incorporate a few more plants to enhance the natural feel overall. This design is both beautiful and practical. This bathroom is a stunning blend of nature and modern design. I love the teal subway tiles that bring a refreshing, aquatic feel to the shower area. The large skylight is my favorite feature, flooding the space with natural light and creating a serene, open atmosphere. The pebble shower floor adds a natural, tactile element that enhances the spa-like experience. Functionally, the built-in shower niches are perfect for keeping toiletries organized and within reach. The mix of plants adds a vibrant touch of greenery, making the bathroom feel alive and welcoming. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more natural wood elements to complement the stool and enhance the earthy vibe. Overall, this bathroom is a perfect retreat. I love the playful and contemporary vibe of this bathroom. The pink tiles create a soft, inviting atmosphere, while the black fixtures and framing add a bold, modern contrast. The geometric floor tiles are striking and tie the room together beautifully. The double mirrors and wall sconces provide both style and functionality, enhancing the vanity area. Functionally, the combination of a tub and shower maximizes the use of space, making it versatile for different needs. The unique rug adds a touch of whimsy and personality, making the room feel fun and lively. If I were to make any changes, I might add a splash of greenery with a small plant to bring a bit of nature indoors. Overall, this bathroom is chic and charming. This bathroom blends modern and retro elements seamlessly. I adore the terrazzo backsplash, which adds a playful yet sophisticated touch. The mix of peach and white vertical tiles in the shower creates a subtle, stylish gradient. The black fixtures provide a striking contrast, giving the space a contemporary edge. The round mirror and sconces add elegance and improve functionality by providing excellent lighting. The floating vanity with its minimalist design keeps the space feeling open and uncluttered. The small potted plant adds a fresh, natural element, making the bathroom feel more inviting. If I were to make any changes, I might add a splash of color with vibrant towels or a small piece of art. Overall, this bathroom is a chic and functional space. I love the vibrant and playful wallpaper in this bathroom. The botanical pattern with green leaves and yellow dots adds a lively, fresh touch. The light blue vanity with brass and black hardware pairs well with the wallpaper, creating a cohesive look. The hexagonal floor tiles add texture without overwhelming the space. The space feels functional and bright thanks to the large window letting in natural light. The mirror's black frame and the simple modern light fixture complement the overall aesthetic. The flowers on the vanity bring in a pop of color, adding to the cheerful vibe. If I were to change anything, I might add a small piece of artwork on the wall opposite the vanity to balance the room's visual weight and add a personal touch. This bathroom has a bright and airy feel. I love the black and white theme, particularly the patterned floor tiles that add a modern touch. The white vanity and toilet keep the space feeling clean and spacious. The black faucet and mirror frame create a nice contrast, adding a bit of sophistication. The addition of green plants on the toilet tank and vanity brings a refreshing, natural element to the room. The woven basket on the wall adds texture and warmth, making the space feel cozy. If I were to change anything, I might replace the blinds with a sheer curtain to soften the light and add a bit more privacy while maintaining the room's brightness. I really admire the sophisticated and earthy feel of this bathroom. The herringbone pattern on the wall tiles adds a stylish and dynamic element. The floating wooden vanity with its open shelving is both practical and visually appealing, providing storage without feeling bulky. The green and white patterned floor tiles add a touch of vintage charm, complementing the modern wall tiles. The round mirror and black fixtures add a sleek, contemporary touch, and the potted plant brings in a bit of nature, making the space feel fresh and inviting. To improve the space, I might add a small piece of art above the toilet paper holder to add a personal touch and balance the visual weight. I adore the cozy and vibrant feel of this bathroom. The white subway tiles with dark grout give it a clean and modern look, while the various plants add a refreshing, natural touch. The wicker shelves and accessories provide warmth and texture, making the space feel inviting. The artwork above the toilet adds a pop of color and personality. The mix of pink towels and robe introduces a soft, feminine touch, tying the room together beautifully. The mosaic floor tiles add a touch of charm and interest to the space. If I could change one thing, I'd add a small rug in front of the tub to make the space cozier and more comfortable underfoot. I love the vintage charm of this bathroom. The clawfoot tub is a stunning centerpiece, and the white subway tiles with a glossy finish give the room a classic, timeless feel. The patterned window adds character and ensures privacy while letting in soft light. The blue and white checkered floor tiles bring a playful touch, contrasting nicely with the more traditional elements. The greenery, both on the floor and on the tub tray, adds life and a natural element to the space. If I were to change anything, I might swap out the radiator for a more modern heater or paint it to match the decor better, enhancing the overall aesthetic. I really appreciate the clean and serene feel of this bathroom. The vertical tiles in the shower give a sense of height, making the space feel larger. The built-in niche is practical for storage, keeping the shower area tidy. The blue vanity adds a pop of color and contrasts beautifully with the neutral tones of the tiles and floor. The brass fixtures add a touch of warmth and elegance. I love the small stool with towels, adding a spa-like feel. If I could change anything, I might add a larger piece of art or a statement mirror above the vanity to draw the eye and add more personality to the space. I love the elegant and earthy vibe of this bathroom. The mosaic wall tiles add texture and visual interest, creating a beautiful backdrop for the arched mirror and brass fixtures. The light wood vanity provides a warm, natural element, and the gold accents on the drawers add a touch of luxury. The shower's mix of vertical and horizontal tiles creates a subtle, dynamic pattern, making the space feel sophisticated. The glass shower door keeps the area open and bright. If I could change anything, I might add a small shelf or a piece of art on the opposite wall to balance the space and provide a bit more functionality or decoration. I appreciate the clean and crisp look of this bathroom. The black and white floor tiles add a bold geometric pattern that anchors the space. The light wood vanity adds warmth and contrast, balancing the monochromatic palette. The white subway tiles in the shower area keep the space looking fresh and bright. The striped shower curtain adds a subtle touch of pattern without overwhelming the room. The simple black hardware ties everything together nicely. If I were to change anything, I might add a small plant or two to bring in some greenery and a touch of nature. This would make the space feel more inviting and lively. I am absolutely in love with the luxurious feel of this bathroom. The freestanding tub is a perfect focal point, and the high-gloss marble floor tiles add a touch of elegance. The wall tiles behind the tub create a beautiful backdrop with their vertical pattern, drawing the eye upwards and making the space feel taller. The artwork above the tub and the ladder-style towel rack add a personal and stylish touch. The matching gray vanities on either side provide ample storage and balance the room nicely. The vases with greenery bring in a natural element, softening the overall look. If I could change anything, I might add a chandelier or pendant light above the tub to enhance the luxury feel even more. Thank you for joining me on this tour of beautifully designed bathrooms. I hope you found some inspiration for your own space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.